Hello, people. Sony is preparing to announce its next main fighter, Xperia, on May 11th. The company has published a trailer presentation, which should start at 13 o'clock Japanese time on May 2nd. Sony's YouTube channel will conduct a live broadcast of the presentation. We saw the rendering of the device more than 2 months ago, with a design similar to its predecessors. But now we have official confirmation of its appearance. A new flagship has appeared on the billboard in Hong Kong, showing a triple rear camera with a vertical position at the back. It is very similar to the latest flagship, but there is one noticeable difference: an oval eyelet. The eyelet now seems more noticeable than in the previous phone, and the lenses also seem larger. A photo of the billboard appeared on Reddit. Interestingly, the billboard ad says, "One for all." This automatically hints that Sony Xperia 1 Mark V will improve the sensor of the camera for low noise. To be precise, the phone will be equipped with a camera sensor with a low noise level of the new generation. Previous reports showed that Sony is introducing the IMX989 sensor for the main camera, but in the end the company may still stop at IMX858 for the main sensor, because this is the only platform that supports the new low-noise mode LN2 combined with MCSS in the system of synchronization of several cameras. For your understanding, the LN2 mode of the Sony IMX858 implements the new architecture of the CMOS sensor technology. It does not use LEDs and pixel transitions to one plane or substrate. Instead, they are all folded into each other. In simple words, this should expand the dynamic range and allow the sensor to absorb more light. Thus, with IMX858, Xperia 1 Mark V can offer a new level of camera performance in low light. And it would be quite interesting to see how the phone will perform compared to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. In addition to this and the likely presence of a new chipset with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we are unlikely to expect major changes, since the text indicates a similar design and the same battery capacity of 5000 mAh and the screen size is 6.5 inches, which is the same as Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, although the novelty can get 16 GB of RAM compared to 12 GB in the current model. It is also worth noting that sometimes Sony puts their phones on sale after a long time after their announcement, so although Xperia 1 Mark V will soon be officially introduced, you are unlikely to be able to buy it for some time, that is, you will have to wait a couple of months. Nevertheless, there will probably be other options, because it is possible that the company will also demonstrate additional phones during the event. Perhaps this is Xperia 10 Mark V, since Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV also came out on May 11th last year with Xperia 1 Mark IV. In addition, we are also waiting for new Google phones this week. Google iOS 2023 starts on May 10th, and according to rumors, we can see their Pixel 7, but not Pixel 2, but also Pixel tablet. It is not known that Sony decided to release their flagship phone immediately after the Google event, but this should be an exciting couple of days for phone fans. Well, and you can be sure that we will definitely keep you informed of the most interesting. So consider the possibility of subscribing to our channel and be sure to press the bell. Turn off all notifications so as not to miss new videos. Harry was with you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Good luck to everyone.